the corner would just get a room. Seems like everyone around me's on their honeymoon. I'd love to take a pin to a heart-shaped balloon. Everybody's got somebody but me. I don't know how I landed on this movie set. It's like a casting call for Romeo and Juliet. I never would've noticed if we'd never met, but everybody got somebody but me. And I miss you. Without you I just don't fit in. I know we're through, but I'm wishing we could try it again. I hear love songs playing on the radio. People slow dancing everywhere I go. I'm a good slow dancer, but you never know, cause everybody's got somebody with me. Yeah, they
lu rasain, lu cobain.
Dan pastinya kita akan explore lebih lagi. Masih luas nih.
And I miss you. Without you I just don't fit in. I know we're through, but I'm wishing we could try it again. Sitting here lonely at a table for two, watching lovers being lovers in the corner booth. Seems like even Cupid don't know what to do. Everybody's got somebody but me. Yeah, I don't know if I'll ever find another you.
Kita ketemu sama teman-teman kampus.
Ini mau bikin vlog nih. Yuk kita makan ayam.
Ayam bawang.